Puhang-class corvette, BRP Conrado Yap. The BRP Conrado Yap PS-39, the former South Korean Puhang-class corvette Chongjo, is the most heavily armed and powerful surface combatant of the Philippine Navy today. The Philippine Fleet Commander Rear Admiral Giovanni Bacordo said, "The ship is armed with two 76mm Otto Melara automatic guns, two Otto Breda 40mm light cannons, and two triple torpedo tubes, making it capable of dealing with surface, subsurface, and air threats." Bacordo added that BRP Conrado Yap will boast the Philippine Navy anti-submarine capabilities, which were activated by the arrival of two AgustaWestland AW159 anti-submarine helicopters last May. He said the ship will install an additional system before being deployed for patrol missions to allow it to communicate with the other Philippine Navy vessels. The ship measures 83.3 meters long with a beam of 10 meters and a draft of 2.9 meters with a displacement of 1,216 tons full load and rated for a crew of 118 personnel and can be sustained operational presence for 20 days. BRP Conrado Yap's combined diesel or gas propulsion configuration of motor transport unit diesel engine and LM2500 gas turbine with controllable pitch propellers enables the ship to move to a maximum speed of 32 knots to a distance of 4,000 nautical miles.